Anytime you find yourself lost in thought, just come back to the breath and back to the body. Walk your hands towards the front of your mat. Gently rock your body toward a frog pose. Notice the activation of your core and the stretch of your hips. If your mind wanders anywhere else, that's fine. Just come back to the breath and let the breath connect you to your body. Raise yourself back into tabletop. Take a moment to find a neutral spine, letting your body feel grounded. As you exhale, let's flow into cat.